This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it's August 13th, 2019. This one here I got a call for a tub drain that won't hold water. So I'm going over there now and seeing what kind of drain they have there. See if I can get it to fix it for the lady. Never a dull moment with my job, it's always something. It's always something with my job. You never know what you're going to work on. You having a bad hair day? Oh, I know you are. You're having a bad hair day. Yeah, you're having a bad hair day. That's a Simmons. You can see they got the push. It's not staying down. So it looks like probably the bigger one. Alright guys, they make two kind. They made a 3/8 one. That one's got a 3/8 and this one's a 5/16. See how it's smaller? That's a 5/16. And this other one's 3/8. And it's just a push. I should be able to unscrew that and screw this one right in. But I'm not sure what size it is until I take it out. But I got two of them in the truck. We'll bring them both up. Hello. Hello, Miss Molly. I'll be right back. I should be able to just unscrew this thing. Maybe not. I'm gonna break the bottom part, but I don't know. This should unscrew. There we go. Yeah. Then there's a big screwdriver in there. I gotta stick a screwdriver in there to get it. So you gotta hold back on this and unscrew it. Yeah, that's the 3/8 one. That should be what that one is, 3/8. Should do it. I should do it. This is the 5/16 one. There's the part number for the 5/16 one, but that one was 3/8. So I'm gonna grab inside with the pliers, hold that, and then you should be able to unscrew this. You have to grab inside with the pliers, and then you can unscrew this. And then there's a screw down inside. You gotta back out. I really don't see a lot of these around here.